Well, good morning, paint pouring aficionados. This is Richard, and as you can see, I have a very ugly canvas. It's a do-over, and I'm going to do the flip. Well, flip and drag, I guess. These are the colors I have out. Left side, right side. I've got quite a collection of colors, and I'm going to go for broke today. I'm just going to do whatever the paint tells me to do, and if it doesn't turn out nice, this will be what we call a dipsty dumpster painting, and that's where it's going to go. So wish me luck, stand by. I'm going to mix the paints in here, and I'll be back when we flip it and drag it and make a beautiful work of art. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. This is going to be fun for somebody anyway. Maybe me, maybe for you watching. No guarantees. I am going to flip this over and pray for some good results. So I may have used a little bit too big a cup. It's hard to say, but you know what? I'm going to hedge my bets, being a prudent individual, and I'm going to put a rag over here, sort of like a backdrop when I go to flip this, because I've never died. But don't do this at home, boys and girls. It could be dangerous. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that jambalaya of color. Okay, now I guess I'm supposed to pick it up and drag it. Ready? Whoa, that didn't drag good. Yo, yeah. Who likes blue? Raise your hand. Oh, this is interesting. That's interesting is my favorite word. It drives my wife nuts. Everything to me is interesting. Sort of like a little kid when he goes, "Guess what, Grandpa? Guess what?" After about 50 years of that, you get tired of guessing. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put this away. And I believe what they do next is tip. So, no, wait a minute. I'll get my blower, or my trusty dusty bubble popper. Well, I've said this before when I started painting. It looks pretty good so far. And of course, some of them end up being do-overs. Okay, I'm going to do a little tipping and a sliding. And I'm not wearing gloves yet. Let's go this way. Oh my. I think I know what I need to do. And no, not take up a new hobby. Bear with me. I do believe I'll need to bring this back to center. Ooh, I like the way some of this paint is interacting. I forgot to put down my white around it. So, we are having some fun this morning. At least I am. And if you're watching, you're probably having fun too. Guess what I'm going to do next? Okay, I believe I need to put some white around here. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. It looks like a speeding comet through space. The blue blaster. You know what? I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to jinx this. I'm going to put my gloves on. Hot diggity dog. I'm getting quite a collection of used gloves here. You know, every finger for every hole, Richard. I'm getting excited. Well, for heaven's sakes. There we go. Just like at the doctor's office. Okay, let's go this way. Boy. Slide, baby, slide. Pretend like you're a baseball player and slide into third. Or not. How about sliding down? Well, it likes to slide down. All right, how about slide back in the middle? That was fun. How about this way? Well, this is the first time I have tried this technique, and the first time I have not put white down as the base coat so it all slides together. This is like something I'm not used to. I think I may have to do some more white here in a minute. Okay, I'm going to slide towards me. You're not being able to watch, so go get a cup of coffee. Go to the refrigerator and get a snack. Get something for both of us. Ooh, I've got a good roll going here. Okay, let's bring her back. This is fun. Okay, I'm going to come down in this left-hand corner. Ooh, it's a good run. I don't want to lose my paint quite yet, so I'll bring her back. I think I'm going to have to put more white on it. I'll be darned. Maybe I should have put the white down first, but it's flowing. It's flowing differently than if I had all of a base of white to make it really slip and slide. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this back to center. And I'm going to let it sit for a second. And I think I will get my white cup and pour some more white around it so it slides. Whoa, dude. Don't white out the painting, you bonehead. Okay. Yeah. This is a good day to be locked in the house, isn't it? We are in the state of Washington, where I won't say that it's, well, yeah, I'll say it. It's run by politicians. So I think I've said enough, haven't I? If not, I'll probably lose my 5 viewers that I have on my channel here. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's get these edges. Let's get these edges. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, this looks like a new continent somewhere in the middle of the ocean. How about we go this way? See if it slides a little better. And oh look, it's going as fast as a slug. Well, I won't have to worry about it falling over the edge, will I? My goodness. Ooh. I have Roy Orbison just came on the radio in the background. I listen to Pandora because I can find the oldies channels and I can understand the words they're singing, which is something I can't do with the new music. I guess I'm giving my age away, right? Oh, I'm not a woman, so I don't care how old you think I am. Ooh, you're missing this. I'm sorry. I apologize profusely for not including you into this fabuloso. Okay, I'm going to go. I'm liking this, especially if you knew what I was going to do next. I like the white space. I do. And it's starting to flow a little bit. Ooh, You're not going to believe what I'm going to do next. well, I don't want to go that way because I like that. Okay, I am going to be daring and keep that negative white space. And I want to make this a little more vibrant. Well, I don't know if vibrant's the white. Well, you're talking like Daffy Duck. I don't know if vibrant is a right word. Gee, spit it out, Richard. But I want to have some. I want to have some movement in it. I like movement. Okay, so with that, I'm going to take off my gloves, turn off the recorder, blow or shoot it with the bubble popper, and then I'll be back. And you can help me decide what to do next. So hold on. Stand by to stand by. Okie dokie. I be back. You know what's coming next, right? If you've watched very many of my videos, you know that I got my go-to tool here, the mini blower, and I want to get some action in this. I do like the colors, and so whatever happens, I say I gave it my best shot. So let's see what I can come up with, and see if I can make this an action movie. Well, what do you think? I think that's different. And different is good when you're an artist. If everybody did the same thing, it would be a boring world. So, with that, my faithful followers, put my trusty blower back in the saddle holster. Get out, Mr. Torch. Whack them bubbles, baby. Whack them. Oop. I see some white spots. It's going to call for the polywog maker. Number 2 pencil. And let me do that. Let me get some polywogs. Ooh, my God, this is a bubble from the Blue Lagoon. Oh, look at that. It left a crater. Dang. That's nasty. Ooh. Okay. I'll stop the video, and I see maybe another spot I might get the blower on, and get my number 2 pencil out, do some magic with a pointy end, and be back again. Well, okie dokie. I would say that this has restored my faith in my ability to do something halfway creative. I really like this. I like the colors. A little bit of the metallics have come through. My gold has come through. It's got movement. It's the kind of movement I like anyway. Not a Beethoven symphony type, but paint flow. You know, this originally I think was called fluid dynamics. Was come up with an artist in Mexico back when. And I like that. It is fluid and it is dynamic. Ooh, good one, Richard. Okay, anyway, I think I'm done fiddling, if that's ever possible. Oh, look, somebody's calling me with I won something. Okay, I'll quit now, lie my head. I'll do a close-up in a second. This is Richard saying stand by. Well, that was my daughter on the phone. I didn't win anything, darn it. Story of my life. Anyway, here we go, a little close-up. And I'm liking this, folks. If anybody watches this and they have any comments, it would be nice to hear from you. Other than my daughter calling me, that is. And I'm going to come in for a little close-up. Ooh, that was a fast close-up. Moonlander, we've landed. So let me go around here a little bit. And you can see that we've got some good mixture of colors. Some fluid dynamics going here. And I like it. And you can't say otherwise. So, let me pull it back out. Of course, you know, it always looks better when it's freshly shiny. And then when it dries, it loses some of its luster. Some of the folks do a resin cover finish on it. I'm too cheap and I don't have the time to fiddle with resin. I'd probably spill it over myself. So I just use Minwax glossy varnish spray. It works for me. So with that, I am going to say thank you for watching. This one turned out good, much better than its predecessor, who is now just a faded memory. Anyway, this is Richard saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.